Introducing the Kokrajhar Town Hall Cum Auditorium, an epitome of cultural sophistication and sustainable innovation. Tucked away in the verdant embrace of Kokrajhar, the auditorium is situated just 1.5 km from the bustling Kokrajhar town in the tranquil locale of Habrubari. Nestled among lush greenery, the auditorium thrives in its natural environment. The presence of trees, plants, and open spaces creates a tranquil and serene atmosphere. The auditorium's design and location create an unparalleled atmosphere for stellar performances. Boasting extensive parking facilities, the auditorium can accommodate over 74 wheelers and another 100 two-wheelers, ensuring convenience and security. The use of green technology sets this auditorium apart. It prioritizes sustainability and environmental consciousness. Features include energy-efficient lighting, solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and natural ventilation. These elements reduce the building's ecological footprint. Upon entering through the main entrance, visitors are welcomed into a spacious and elegantly designed food court that caters to a variety of culinary tastes. Adjacent to this gastronomic delight is the waiting area, a thoughtfully arranged space that offers comfort and tranquility, allowing guests to relax and socialize before the event. Inside, you'll find a spacious hall with excellent acoustics. The design ensures that sound carries well, allowing performers to shine. With a seating capacity of 800 persons, whose arrangements cater to both comfort and visibility, ensuring that every audience member enjoys an unobstructed view of the stage. The artist's green room is thoughtfully designed to foster a relaxing atmosphere, complete with Wi-Fi, intercom, air conditioning, and private restrooms. The conference hall, meticulously designed to facilitate meetings, stands as a paragon of functionality and elegance. The VIP lounge is a sanctuary of luxury, meticulously curated with opulent furnishings that reflect a commitment to comfort and style. Other essential facilities, such as priority entry for VIPs, elevators, a sprinkler system for firefighting, and emergency exits, have been thoughtfully incorporated into the plan. The auditorium